Alright, we are going to do the activity book now. Page 129. Alright, open to page 129. Write today's day and date. Alright, what do they say? The picture below shows a tennis court. Color 3 pairs of perpendicular lines purple. Color 3 pairs of parallel lines orange. Now I have a purple, something like a purple, and I don't have an orange, but I have a peach. So I'm going to use that instead. If you've got a purple and an orange, please use it. Okay, so it says color 3 pairs. Okay, 3 pairs of perpendicular lines purple. So we are going to use a ruler and the purple to draw 3 pairs of perpendicular lines. Now they can be any 2 lines which meet at 90 degrees. So you can see this line meets this line at 90 degrees. Okay. Alright, so you can see I've just colored on top in purple. Alright, now the next one is, this is 1 pair. So they ask you to do 2 pairs. Alright, so I'm going to do this one. Over here, this is the second pair. And then the third pair. Alright, so I've got 3 pairs of perpendicular lines. But of course, there are so many others over here. You can draw any one. This one, this one, this one, and this one, this one, and this one. These are all perpendicular lines. This side and this side. These are all perpendicular. So you can draw any 2 lines which are meeting each other at 90 degrees. And you have to draw 3 pairs, okay? Alright, now you have to draw 3 pairs of parallel line orange. So I'm going to take the orange. I don't have orange, I'm going to use the peach. So you can take 3 pairs. Said we will use the peach color to draw the 3 pairs of parallel lines. Now, as you can see, this line is parallel to this line. This is 1 pair. This line is parallel to this line, second pair. Then I'm going to choose one here. This line is parallel to this line. So there are a lot of lines that are parallel. This to this, this to this, this to this, this to this. A lot of parallel lines. Okay, so you can choose any 2 lines that do not meet, okay, that are parallel. So I have drawn this, this, and this. So you can choose any others that you want, okay. Now, the next page, I'm going to give it as homework. Look at it carefully, alright. The picture shows a broken fence. Color 3 pairs of perpendicular lines in purple and 3 pairs of parallel lines in orange. So perpendicular lines are 2 lines that meet. So make sure the 2 lines meet. So you can have this and this, this and this, this and this. And then parallel are 2 lines which will not meet. So this, 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 this. Now you cannot use these 2 or this one because they are crooked and broken. Okay, so make sure you don't color this 2 and this 2 for perpendicular or parallel. Okay, same way as I have done the earlier page, the tennis court, page 129. The same way you can do page 130. Over here, the purple and orange line for perpendicular and parallel lines. Alright. Okay, now the next page, page 131. Now over here they say AB is a straight line. Use a set square to draw a line perpendicular to line AB. Now, what is a set square? All right, now if you have this at home, this is a set square. You can use this to draw a line perpendicular to line AB. Remember, line perpendicular to another line, it should be at 90 degrees. Now, this is a set square. Now, in a set square, where is the 90-degree angle? Is it this one? This side? There are 3 angles in this because this is like a triangle. So, is this 90 degrees? No, because you can see this one is going in. It's an acute angle. Is this angle 90 degrees? No, because this is again going in. It's closed mouth. It's an acute angle. So now I'm going to turn the set square and see this side, this angle. Now look at this angle. It's straight. So this is the 90-degree angle in your set square. Now if you have a set square, we will use a set square. But suppose if you don't have a set square. So you remember I took the paper last time. You remember I took the paper for the right angle, folded it into half and then folded it again, right? Now when you fold it again, what you can do is make a set square out of this. So what you can do, take the corner, all right, the corner, and take a ruler and draw a straight line from the corner till the other end. The way I have drawn. Can you see the line? I have drawn a line. Then you cut along this line and you will get something like this. When you cut along, you will get something like this. So this is similar, not exactly, but you can, if you don't have a set square, this is similar to a set square. So you can see I folded the paper and I cut along the edge. This is the paper. Again, I show you. This is the paper. I first folded it into half and then I folded again. Okay. And then on the edge, the corner, I took a ruler and drew a line till the other end. And then if you cut on this line, you will get something like this. All right. So you can use this instead of a set square if you don't have a set square. All right. Now, how am I going to draw a line that is perpendicular to line AB? Now, remember, when you place the set square on the line, it cannot be like this. This is wrong. You can't place it like this. This is wrong because the right angle is on this end, not on this end or this end. So you need to turn your set square so that the right angle of the set square touches the line. Okay, so this is the way your set square should be placed. Now I'm going to draw a line perpendicular to line AB. All right, so what you need to do is just use the edge and draw a line. All right, now you see I've drawn a line. Now, remember, you can't use a ruler because if you use a ruler and you draw a line anywhere, it may not be perpendicular. This has to be perpendicular. This has to be at a right angle. Okay? So, you need to use your set square to make sure you get a line that is at 90 degrees to the other line. Now, what if I don't have this and I'm going to use this? So I'm going to show you in the next question how to use this if you don't have a set square. So CD is a straight line. Use a set square to draw a line perpendicular to line CD. So again, this is the line. Of course, I can do upwards, but then it will be going across the wordings. So I'm going to draw a line down. Again, this is not the right angle. This is not the right angle. So I can't place my set square like this. What I have to do is I have to place the set square along the edge of the 90 degrees. So I'm going to place it like this. As you can see, It's against the line. Make sure it's against the line CD and draw a line going down. Hold it carefully. It should not move. Alright? And you draw a line that is perpendicular. Now for perpendicular line, you need to draw the right angle sign. So I'm going to draw the sign to show its right angle. Alright, so this is how you draw a line perpendicular to another line.